on this program. Larsen Turbo is the name of the counter that we're talking about next, and in fact Kundan has bought at a price of 3,100. Should he hold or sell? It's interesting, and I know that he's not specified a time frame, but he's in the green and he's making a decent profit. China, on the fundamentals, it actually did pretty well. It did really well, if I remember correctly. And you know, the expectation is that the capex push in the new year, and I know that the numbers overall were less than perhaps the street was expecting from the center, but a lot of people have pointed out that you should look at the center plus the states plus the PSU. So it's not like the capex story is going away. Would you hold on to this?
Yeah, you can hold, and at dips declines you could also add, because as you mentioned, while the capex was the amount that they have projected was a bit disappointing, but having said that, we are going to see a pickup, because in the first couple of months the capex was not as good as one would have estimated because of elections, etc. But now it is picking up, and L&T is fundamentally a good stock to have in your portfolio. You could hold at current levels, but if you want to add, you can add it at dips. You could add it close to about 3,230 types, and then hold it for the medium to long term with a target of 3,800.
Okay, hold with a target of 3,800. Any view, Kush, very quick view on Sun Pharma Advanced Research, and this is a question from Nagaraj. He's bought at levels of 300, I think. Any view?
The stock could actually see a rebound from the oversold territories, but overall, I think the pressure on this stock could very well persist for some more time going forward. If you have a position, then your stop loss comes in very close to the 140, 145 kind of zone. But other than that, I think the stock could actually remain under pressure for some time. Perhaps you'll see a dead cat bounce, but that should be about it.
Okay. Please suggest a solution for Heritage Foods and Style Bazaar. I'm going to choose one of the two. Satya from Trishur is asking, Heritage Foods is seeing a decline of 20% on his buy price. What should he do? He's got a one-year time frame. Shaina, any advice that you have for him?
Yeah, I personally hold also on this stock. I have recommended it in the past, and I believe in terms of valuations, it's extremely attractive if you look at any parameters, especially if you look at the market cap, turnover to market cap. They have done pretty well in terms of their numbers. They're adding new products. So I would say hold on. And in fact, I would say you could also take this opportunity to average.
Take the opportunity to add, in fact, is the view on Heritage Foods. It's time to hit the rapid fire segment. And this, remember, Shaina and Kush, is where we throw as many questions as possible at you over the course of 2 minutes. Do answer as quickly as you can. Vatek Wabag is the name of the counter. And we've got a question from Madan, who's writing from Hyderabad. He's looking to hold for the next 3 months to see some profits. He's holding at levels of 1550. Should he continue to hold, Kush?
Continue to hold, stop loss at 1280.
Skipper results came out overnight, or rather last evening. We've got Sunita, who's holding at levels of 490 rupees a piece. Would you suggest holding or should you exit China?
Hold. It's a hold.